Hi, you're watching Sinta Garden. My name is Aaron and I make do-it-yourself videos and tutorials about gardening because I think there's something about gardening that refreshes the soul. Today we are dehydrating chocolate ghost peppers and I thought I'd make a video about how I save the seeds. So this is a real easy method for seed saving hot pepper seeds. Basically, I have a coffee filter here that's labeled chocolate ghost pepper, and when I save the seeds, you're left with the stem, the placenta, and all the seeds. So what I do is I just start making cuts on the pepper. I cut off all the walls, all the side walls. Like so. And I try not to damage the seeds or the placenta. I want to leave that intact. I know some of you will say, well, that's where all the heat is, and that's not where all the heat is, that's where most of the heat is, but there's plenty of capsaicin oil on the side walls. So, again, this is just for saving the seeds anyways. Almost done here. One more cut. Just like so. And as you can see, I am left with the stem, the placenta, and the seeds. And I got lots of pepper here to dehydrate or use how I feel I would like to use it. Then we got a coffee filter where I'll be saving all these seeds on. And what I'll do is I'll just set them aside somewhere on the entertainment center or on a coffee table off to the side, and where nobody's going to get them or disturb them. And I'll just let it sit there for a few days to a week or two. And then I'll pick all the seeds off of the placenta and I'll put them in the fridge so that they'll stay fresh for a good long time. And I'll show you what one looks like after it's dried. And this here is what they look like after they dry. And you can store them as is, or I like to pick them off the placenta and bag them up, you know. Okay. And here's what they look like after they're picked clean. Here's the seeds off the placentas. And here's the ones that were loose, the loose seeds. So there you go, that's my chocolate ghost pepper seeds from 2023. Watch my future videos, subscribe to my channel. And I'm going to be putting out a video update in a few weeks once I get all my seeds sorted and dried and put away. How to get free seeds. I have lots of seeds. Peppers, watermelon, tomatoes, you name it. So, thank you.